Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Amazon. The report was first published on our website Thursday, August 4, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Amazon? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 27, 2022, our system ranks the Amazon stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 0.000. This is an average return of 2.55% per day since first recommended. The stock getting 0 in score indicate that our system expect high volatility and risk for the following trading day, and given the latest development are not able to determine the next direction as it may go both ways. In our daily updates for Amazon, our last headline reads, Amazon stock downgraded from strong buy candidate to hold/accumulate after Thursday trading session. The Amazon stock price gained 2.19% on the last trading day, Thursday, August 4, 2022, rising from $139.52 to $142.57. And has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day, the stock fluctuated 2.87% from a day low at $139.55 to a day high of $143.56. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 14.39% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -1 million shares, and in total, 70 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $10.05 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $188.11, and the lowest price was $101.26. Right now the price is 24.21%, or $45.54, below 52-week high, and 89.08%, or $1,162.63, below all-time high January 15, 2018, where the price hit $1,305.20. The stock has broken the wide and strong, rising the short-term trend up, and an even stronger rate of rising is indicated. For any reaction back, there will now be support on the roof on the current trend broken at $136.57, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $161.83 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 13.22% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -11.61% and 8.45%. The 12-month trend indicates a -31.25% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -56.06% and -29.54%. This equals a price between $62.65 and $100.45 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Amazon stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Amazon stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Amazon. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Amazon stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $132.83 and $116.92. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, June 14, 2022, and so far it has risen 39.35%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 36 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 78 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Amazon. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $134.95 and $120.21. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Amazon finds support just below today's level at $134.95. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $120.21 and $116.41. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $4.01 between high and low, or 2.87%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.32%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Amazon. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Amazon currently has a price-earning ratio of 60.93. A high price-to-earnings ratio could mean that a company's stock is overvalued, or else that investors are expecting high growth rates in the future. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, Amazon finds first level of support at $134.95, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Amazon is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On May 23, 2022, Bezos Jeffrey P. made an inside sell of 7,991 of common stock, par value 1 cent per share. On May 23, 2022, Clark David H. made an inside sell of 4,000 of restricted stock unit. Award. On May 23, 2022, Clark David H. made an inside sell of 1,040 of restricted stock unit. Award. On May 23, 2022, Clark David H. made an inside sell of 364 of restricted stock unit. Award. On May 23, 2022, Clark David H. made an inside sell of 2,270 of common stock. Par value 1 cent per share. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -62.089. In total, the insiders bought 50,209 and sold 304,708 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $138.38, minus 2.94%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. The RSI 14 is 78 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 35 days ago. Is Amazon stock a buy? Amazon holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Friday 5th, we expect Amazon to open down minus 68 cents and start trading at $141.89. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.